Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How you all? Well, this is Jannatul Arsh. I'm really pleased to come here this beautiful evening. Actually, I'm not in that depth. Speaking in public place, I'm really sorry for ignorance. Anyway, we'll try our best to say something regarding today's topic. So today's topic is very new and interesting. That is vocabulary related to the day. So let's jump in the video. Today meaning is aaj. Tomorrow meaning is agamikal. Yesterday meaning is gotokal. Day after tomorrow means agami porshu. Day before yesterday means gato porshu. Every other day means ekdin porpor. Daybreak means probhat. Later means body. Shortly means অল্প সময়ের মধ্যে. One day or other means কোনো না কোনো একদিন. Carry the day means জয়লাভ করো. Only the other day means এই তো সেই দিন. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. Repeat after me. And yeah, Allah Hafiz.